Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone guys screen change color problem how to solve. Friends, we have screen color change problem, so how to solve screen color change problem. Friends, you can see when I on YouTube app, friends you can see my YouTube app screen show this interface on my Infinix mobile. So friends, same problem you have on your Infinix phone device. How to fix screen color problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, you can see when I on YouTube app, friends you can see my YouTube app screen show this interface. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So friends, on your Infinix mobile friends, scroll it and friends click your Infinix mobile special function setting. After on special function setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click your accessibility setting. After on friends, accessibility setting friends, you can see high translate setting, select to speak setting, talkback setting, mini share mini screen setting. Friends, click here color inversion setting, and friends on your Infinix phone guys color inversion is on, so friends you will have to disable. After disable friends, you can turn on YouTube and friends you can use your screen without any problem. So like that friends, we can solve screen color problem on Infinix mobile. And friends, again you want to change your Infinix phone color screen color, so friends you can change, and friends you can see again screen will show this interface on Infinix mobile. So friends, if your phone screen show this interface on your device, so friends click here off your current version and friends your problem will solve. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix screen color problem in Infinix mobile.